global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
I don't know, I'm seeing it today and I'm actually really excited because the trailers have been really good, the songs are really good and it looks like insane, so yeah. Yeah, so I just finished Leena Yadav's Rajma Chawal and now I'm going back to Hyderabad because I have a South release as well and now I'm here for this. So yeah, thank you. So I was there when we shot this song and I died because this is a really crazy film but it's funny and you can relate to it. Thank you guys.
Stand here for the video.
Yeah, left से left both center right से start करो राइट सामने राइट से start ऊपर एक बार टर्न राइट लेफ्ट में रुको सोनल यहाँ पे सोनल यहाँ ऊपर मैडम इधर I'm straight ऊपर मैम सोनल
I'm expecting a very, very different film, as we all know that it's looking very exciting, very edgy, and you know, these are the kind of films that we get to see very few of them, and I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Sorry? Where did? Oh, that. I think they're both fantastic, yeah. Like, I've always been an Akshay fan for the longest time. But right now, I think Ranveer is one of the finest actors that we have in the country. So, both of them. I'm a Rajput, so I think I'll go and watch Padmavati. Yes, that's what I love about Saif. And yes, I think Saif, right from the beginning of his career, even when he did Dil Chahta Hai and then he did Ek Hasina Thi, he's always experimented, and I think he is one of the actors who are very responsible for changing the Indian cinema. So I always look forward to Saif's films, and I think the poster is fantastic. I mean, very few, I think, mainstream actors, heroes would have the guts to do something like this, and I think he's just living up to his reputation, and I'm sure he's done a fantastic job. I don't know. That's what I'm going inside to figure out what it is, because it's just, I just know that I'm here to watch a very interesting film, and of course the director is a very talented director, so I'm sure it'll be great. Thank you.
Stand here for the video.
I'm not wearing anything special. I'm very casual.
Thank you.
Well, very exciting. I mean, ये एक छोटी पिक्चर है, एक बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है. You know, I'm very proud that we did it. अक्षत ने बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई, सब एक्टर्स ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. लेकिन जिन लोगों ने देखी है, उन्होंने मैसेज किया और बहुत अच्छे मैसेजेस आए, तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि लोगों को अच्छी लगेगी. So I don't know, I think the idea is, you know, to try and do different things. I'm lucky that I got offered some nice scripts with some good directors. So this is a film I'm very proud of. I think if you can mix it up, it's a nice thing. Yeah. I don't know. know, I think some stories need long time to tell, some stories need a shorter time to tell. I just hope people like it. It was good fun working on it, yeah. Promotional deal? No, if I get offered one, I'll take it. Yes, I'm open. You'd have to pay me though, lots. It depends on which toy. Kalakandi means like garbad, you know, like everything going wrong. That's what it means. God, that's a tricky question. I think I'm quite keen to see, if I was given a choice, Padmavati first.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks. I don't think so today. Sorry, thank you. Thank you. Is that all right? This is
अच्छा लग रहा है एज एन एक्टर आपको एक्सेप्ट करने और दुनिया बहुत दुनिया है और अलग अलग किस्म के किरदार करने का मौका मिल रहा है और आप सबका प्यार है।
एक्साइटेड है, नर्वस हैं, पर कॉन्फिडेंट भी है क्योंकि कल मैंने फिल्म देखी है और बहुत ही अनएक्सपेक्टेड था। जो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी उससे काफ़ी आई मीन उससे अच्छी जब फिल्म निकल आती है तो बहुत खुशी होती है और वो अक्षत हैज़ मैनेज टू अचीव दैट। सो वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द फिल्म एंड जस्ट हैप्पी दैट ऑडियंसेस आर गोइंग टू गेट टू सी इट इन या I don't know about that. मेरी बहुत एक subtle performance है. I would say it's like a very quiet performance. इसमें I mean the performance that Saif has given is probably a career-defining performance and everyone Deepak, Vijay, सबकी performances are at a different level and I think just audiences are going to really enjoy the film. Thank you.
बहुत एक्साइटेड है, बहुत ही अलग ट्रेलर था. इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग और आई रियली लाइक द ह्यूमर. अक्षत ने पहले डेलीवरी की थी. आई लाइक हिज द वे ही राइट्स हिज डायलॉग्स एंड हिज स्टोरीज आर आल्सो वैकी. And it's great to see Bhai doing something like this. So I'm बहुत excited है फिल्म को लेकर.
I'm very excited. I love the promo. I'm really looking forward to seeing the film. बहुत ही interesting लगती है, बहुत ही अलग किस्म की फिल्म लगती है. And I think it's got a bunch of very talented actors.
देखिए इंटेंट तो यही है कि हम बताना चाहते हैं कि लोगों को भी पसंद आई थी. हमें खुद इतना मजा आया था उस फिल्म को बनाने में. मेरे यहाँ लेट थे. आई थिंक सैफ आ रहे हैं आप नीचे
I think it means like Kala Kand, maybe like bad things that people do, like Kala Kand. Yeah. I think it's something like that. But it's very interesting. I love the rubber bands in the hair.
That's how rubber bands are right now.
I know, that's how we dress in Naya. I'm going to borrow those rubber bands. 2017 has been very special for us for so many reasons, most important being in Naya. So we look forward to her growing up fast and spending more time with us, becoming more interactive, responsive. So 2018 will be fantastic. Thank you all. Thank you.
Both actually. I think they're both lovely films. One is great scale, one is a great social film. And
Yeah.
I would want to watch both of them.
We have to watch both. Thank you.
Stand here for the video.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.